year ago, we started an adventure. 365 days and almost 40 episodes later, we are here. From 20,000 to 120,000 subs has been a fun journey, but as the adventure continues, we want more.
Hello adventure lovers, Hannah here and welcome to the 1 year birthday special of Insta360 TV. When we started almost a year ago, we only had around 20,000 subscribers, but now we're up at over 120k, but we want to keep on chasing for more. So in the spirit of chasing, I've convinced some of my very hard-working colleagues to come with me to do a high-speed go-kart track race on a random sunny afternoon. And seeing that birthdays are pretty much all about gifts, we want to give back to you guys, and for that we're going to do a big special giveaway for this 1 year birthday, but you're going to need to stay tuned to know how you could be in a chance of winning the giveaway. So let's go have some fun. And seeing as it is our 1 year birthday, how about the biggest giveaway ever? We are giving away one Insta360 Go, one Twin Edition, and one Expert Leica Edition. All you need to do for a chance to win is like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment about what your favourite Insta360 TV episode has been in the past year. Good luck.